It's the relationships and the difference we can make in our boarders' lives. It's a really hard role because you're with them 24/7 and there's so much happening at boarding schools.
It needs to be not just a job, it needs to become a lifestyle where they can fit in, where they want to be there, where they know what goes on, they live, they breathe it.
One of the problems that we have with our boarding schools is that the people who work in them have not been viewed as professionals. So when you don't view somebody as professional, you tend not to give them much training. We have a vision that we want our whole boarding school profession to be recognised as such.
We are the Australian Boarding Schools Association. We support and represent all boarding schools, and our main role is to enhance the well-being of boarders.
We offer training that helps people boost their skills, let people become accredited as a boarding professional.
We try as hard as we can to build and understand our boarding schools so we can create that in-depth industry knowledge, and then we provide that to our partners who are experts, and we combine all of those and create a great offering for our boarding schools to get involved in.
It's all about creating better boarding students. We want the best possible opportunities for them. We want them to be safe, we want them to be well looked after.
We do that through professionalising the industry, training boarding staff and professional development, and building relationships with people and key organisations who support schools, making sure there's a specific focus on boarding.
There is an overarching association that knows what they're doing, that's providing as much support as they possibly can to every boarding school in Australia. To be able to provide training or provide support to our boarding staff to look after these parents' prized possession is something that makes you feel really special.